Utilant's Loss Control 360 self-survey module is designed to let agents and policyholders perform surveys themselves on qualified risks, allowing data to be gathered on a greater portion of policies or where an in-person visit is not possible. The module's simplicity allows it to easily be added into the workflow for existing lines of business without the need for costly changes or training. To start, self-surveys can be ordered manually or by integration. Once an order is submitted, a message is automatically generated and sent to the policyholder or agent via SMS and email containing a secure link to complete the survey. The simple-to-use step-by-step self-guided interface removes any guesswork for the user. The self-survey process can be completed on almost any device without the need to download an app, empowering your policyholders or brokers to provide critical underwriting information like photos, attachments, and form data. Surveys can include a series of questions and photo requests which are built using the existing LC360 form builder. Using metadata attached to photos uploaded including GPS information, you can be confident that the photos provided were taken at the right place and the right time. Just like the rest of your forms, responses may be scored and recommendations may be added automatically. Optionally, you can ask policyholders or agents to upload documents or other needed files. And if a follow-up visit is required, the user may suggest a date and time. A review screen ensures that the user can confirm the data provided is correct and that all sections have been completed. From there, your policyholders or brokers can submit their survey. Once finished, the survey follows standard system workflow, just like any other survey. This can include inspector follow-up, QA, additional forms, and third-party data as well as underwriting. Recommendation letters and finished reports can be sent to the policyholder or agent after completion, ensuring compliance and risk reduction. Pairing self-survey with additional virtual survey tools and information available in LC360 will enable carriers and vendors alike to conduct their workflow anywhere, anytime. Loss Control 360. Reduce losses, improve performance.